How to convert video into cartoon in Capcut. This tutorial shows you how to turn your regular videos into anime or cartoon style using Capcut's AI effects. First, open the Capcut app on your Android device. Next, tap on New Project to start creating. Following that, select the video you want to convert into cartoon or anime style from your gallery. Now, tap Add to import the video into the Capcut timeline. Moving forward, tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Afterwards, look at the bottom menu and tap on Effects. In addition to that, you'll see various effects categories at the top. Once there, tap on Video Effects or AI Effects to access cartoon filters. Subsequently, scroll through the effects until you find options like cartoon, anime, or 3D cartoon. Moreover, CapCut offers effects like comic, sketch, anime face, and other cartoon-style filters. Afterwards, tap on your preferred cartoon effect to apply it to your video. Then, preview the effect by playing the video to see how it looks. Within the effect settings, you can adjust intensity or duration by tapping on the effect again. Alternatively, you can also use the AI portrait effect for more realistic anime conversions. Once you're satisfied with the cartoon effect, tap the check mark to apply it. Then tap Export in the top right corner to save your cartoon video. And that's it. If this CapCut cartoon conversion guide helped you create unique animated videos, give it a like, subscribe for more video editing tutorials, and tap the bell icon for new content. See you in the next one.